Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I asked everyone, I said everything's at all-time high. Buy low, sell high. So I'm curious, what's not at all-time high? In 2022, I was buying at the lows Tesla, Bitcoin, Uniswap, many different Google, etc. And now I'm trying to find what's low. And many people commented, but I couldn't really find. The only things that people commented that I liked was still Bitcoin, Tesla, Ethereum, but again, near all-time highs. So we're going to jump into that tweet. We're going to read those comments. I'm going to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. At the all-time highs, there's a lot of volatility. So for traders, it's amazing for leverage trading and for just trading in general. If someone asked me, should I put all my money into Bitcoin or Tesla or Ethereum right now? I would say no. It's all-time highs. Buy low, sell high. I would be DCAing, dollar cost averaging, so split it up over 12 months and start buying slowly, or trade. And now I'm kind of going, and another comment that keeps coming to mind is Warren Buffett's strategy. He's like, it's very difficult to stay in cash. Everyone always itches to buy, and actually staying in cash is one of the hardest things. And right now I'm holding all Tesla still, but I'm nearly all cash. Guru Ventures has many seed investments. There's many companies that I've bought that I'm seed invested in. But besides that, my trading account is nearly all cash. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals, and this is the post that I'm talking about. So you can see here 95,600 followers. All the new Bitcoin influencers and leaders that have recently joined the space or come back again, be cautious heavily shilling Bitcoin here, like they always do when Bitcoin gets to new highs in every bull market. The time to shill Bitcoin heavily was in 2023 when Bitcoin was at 16K or 20K. Like the below post, the time to be very cautious, very, very cautious is now. Buying Bitcoin and altcoins today will be life-changing. That was when Bitcoin was 20K. And you can see here, can someone tell me something cheap to buy right now? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tesla, Google, Meta, all the things I was buying at the lows in 2022 at all-time highs right now. I want to move into something that's amazing but still low. Warren Buffett always says, when cash looks the best, don't rush to buy things just because. Be patient. And it's one of the hardest things. And this was me in 2022. I've been buying at the lows, Bitcoin, MCRT, Cake, Uni, Google, Meta, TSM, Tesla. And then people have just been commenting what's low that I could be buying. Someone said CRVs at the beginning of the bull run. I think not bad actually, but still also up 468%. But CRV was actually one of the nice ones. Its all-time high not yet reached. SUI all-time high. TON was also one of the nice ones, not all-time high. Let's jump into Bitcoin. And you can see here my account sitting right now at 199,000, 1.2 million. And if you follow the journey of this account, it was 150,000. But I'm still down this week from 1288 before I closed my trades before that big dump. I still down around 88K, but I managed to, now it's more realized profits. In the month, I'm up from 785 to 1.2, so up around 400K, 420K. Bitcoin is still coming up to 102,000. So Bitcoin not pulling back, which is interesting. Little bit of a rising wedge forming here, if you see that. Funding fee still low. Bitcoin, I've got trades, 10 Bitcoin at 90,700. That's where it spiked down on that drop last week. Everyone pretends that it didn't happen, but last week we had a massive sell-off event that spiked the price of Bitcoin and altcoins massively down. And Bitcoin on that drop came to 90,500. Solana's I've got at 162. And you can see my other buys, but right now I'm almost all cash. You can see here, I'm almost all in cash. I've got MCRT, which I haven't sold. Doge, I haven't sold. I've been buying more of MCRT. Cash 850, and in here, cash 884. So it's almost all cash. So now we'll jump into the technicals for Bitcoin. But again, right now I'm just going to do trading. I'm going to trade Tesla all-time high as well. So when you saw that post in 2022, I was buying Tesla at the lows in 2022. Let's see what it. In 2022, I was buying Tesla. You can see buying Tesla. I've been buying at the lows Tesla. That was in December 2022. So in December 2022, I was buying Tesla. It was here, I was buying Tesla at the low, exactly at the low, at $111. And since then, we are up 280% from the low when I was buying it. If you saw that post, congratulations, 300% since we were buying Tesla. But this is what I mean. Tesla still has more to go based off this symmetrical triangle. The target is 600. So I'm still holding it. But again, everything is near all-time high. Bitcoin at 102K. December 2022, when I bought Bitcoin, when I posted that, Bitcoin was December 2022. So 2 years ago exactly, Bitcoin was exactly at the low, 17,000. December, you see that? December 2022, Bitcoin low was 16,000. Since then, we are up. Since then, we are up massively, actually. 564%. I've been buying at the lows, Bitcoin MCRT, December 2022. So that's what I'm trying to say. Now everything is near all-time high. I want to be a little bit cautious here. Let's go closer into on the monthly charts. On the bigger pattern, we've got this rising wedge that broke to the upside on Bitcoin in the monthly patterns. And the base of that wedge, the target is this distance here. So the target is still 137 for that rising wedge breakout. Then when we go closer, we have the bull flag, where the target of the bull flag is 104,000, which it's very close to. The crypto guru bot fired a buy on Bitcoin back when I bought it around 17,000. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy about 7 weeks ago. Volume is still strong. Bitcoin is still looking strong. On the daily, it's still near all-time high, 102. You can see this channel, little bit forming, still a bull flag. If we measure out the base of this bull flag, but see, now we're getting into closer time frames. Again, the time to go heavy was when I did in that December 2022. The target of this bull flag is 127K. Let's go closer onto the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly inverse head and shoulders, the volume dropping off a little bit, which I don't actually like. Volume dropping off quite a lot the last week, while Bitcoin is making new all-time highs. So it's a divergence. We're making new all-time highs and the volume is dropping off. It's a divergence. And I don't like that. That's usually the signs of tops, actually, when you have that happening. Let's see, there is a pattern here. So, okay, if I just go based off the supports, I don't want to go closer. And then we've still got this inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hourly though. So it can easily pump out of here, inverse head and shoulders. If we measure the head, Bitcoin can still go from here to 110,000. So exactly 2 years ago, I was going all in Bitcoin, almost exactly, like we're talking 2 weeks, 2 years ago, I was going all in on Bitcoin, Tesla, Google, buying the lows. Now we're at all-time highs on everything. It's kind of like a little bit prophetic to actually be closing everything right now, to be honest. But I'm going to still trade Bitcoin. The volume is still there. We still have massive volume on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And volatility is amazing for traders. So I'm going to be trading Bitcoin and Ethereum on the 4-hour. So let's jump back into the trades on Bitcoin on the 4-hourly, but I'm only going to trade with tight stop losses. So we have this inverse head and shoulders on Bitcoin. If we just measure out the big support, I would say is sitting now on Bitcoin. The support is moving up. Say strong support 98K. But inverse head and shoulders looks like it wants to break out. But at this highs, Bitcoin can spike down very easily. So I'm going to get a small trade here on Bitcoin. And I'm going to do very tight stop losses now with Bitcoin and on these and Ethereum trades, because again, we're near the all-time highs. So I'm going to do tight stops and tight trades. So this is the trade I'd set on Bitcoin. 98,000, stop loss 97,300, risking 763 to make 12,200. With 10x leverage, will be 120. That's the trade I'm going to set up right now on Bitcoin, and I'm going to still keep these low orders that I have. I have a bunch of low orders sitting here for Bitcoin I've got 10 Bitcoin at 90,000, Doge at 33 cents, 1 million, Solana at 162, Ethereum at 3,700 Ethereum, Uni at $11. So I've got these buy orders in case we have this big spike down like we had a week ago. Then those orders will activate. But until then, I'm going to do leverage trades on the 4-hourly. So 98,400. I'll do a 5 Bitcoin trade. Take profit will be 109,800 and stop loss 97,300. 109,800, 97,300. So I'm risking 5,500 to make 57,000. Confirm. So that trade now is set on Bitcoin. Wait, where is it? Open long. So it's going to be at 98,400. A 5 Bitcoin trade will cost me 25,000. Take profit is 109,000 and stop loss 97,300. Confirm. That trade for 5 Bitcoin is now set. Now let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum 3,891. I see a little bit of a head and shoulders forming here on Ethereum. You see it? Shoulder, head, shoulder. And then if that plays out, the head distance, this distance here, would be 3,000. There is a little bull flag on the 4-hourly though. But again, you do see that little head and shoulders that's forming. I'll keep this trade at 3,000 then. I've got already this 100 Ethereum trade at 3,057. That's my trade setup. Also, I want to check out CRV because of all the ones that people shared to me. So this question I posted, 95,000, I posted here. Can someone tell me something cheap to buy right now? The only ones that I liked, where was it? CRV. CRV is on the beginning of the run. Thank you for your tip. You win. I liked your one. You win $100. So not bad actually, but still up 468%. But I did like CRV. Why? You'll see it now on the charts. It pumped already, like the others, but it didn't. But its all-time high is crazy. When you look at CRV's all-time high, its all-time high is. Let's go by the not that initial spike, $6.80. Right now we're at $1.16. So on the weekly, the big support is actually at 87 cents. Let's go close onto the daily. On the daily, it spiked down to 88 cents when we had that drop. So I'd keep it at 88 cents to be honest. So I'm going to open one at CRV. CRV USDT at 88 cents. Say 89 cents because, and I want to do order by cost. Let's do a $20,000 trade. So $20,000 trade at 89 cents on CRV. 89 cents will be $20,000. Wait, that's only 10. Let's increase the leverage. I always do around 20x, but it's very dangerous. You have to do much less, everyone. Doesn't let me do it. Interesting. I think it's too big. Okay, let's do. So 89 cents will be 310,000 CRV. $20,000 would be 275,000. Confirmed. So now I've got that CRV, Bitcoin 5, Bitcoin 98,400, Solana, Doge, the low orders going down, and Ethereum. And now I'm almost all cash. And again, this is what I posted as well. I posted here where I've been buying at the lows exactly 1 year ago, which is 2 years ago, which is very, very interesting. And I said, Warren Buffett always says, when cash looks the best, don't rush to buy things. And it was really everything. Comp up 365%. Not bad, but it's already pumped a lot. This person said CRV. I said, not bad. And I put that order. Sui all-time high. Ton 20. Ton was also quite good. I also like Ton, to be honest. Ton is near all-time high. You can see Ton is almost at all-time high. Ton's all-time high was $8.20. Its low was down here just in March. Its low was $2.20. Big support at $4.60. And on that spike down, we came down to $4.80. Let's go into Ton technicals. Actually, I'll just put it on that support, $4. So let's set here. $5.50 was this big spike, came down to $4.80. So, okay, I'll do it at $4.90. And I'm going to do okay, let's do 10,000 ton will be $40,000. So the trade will only cost me 20. So I'll do 400. So it's a 25. So it'll be $500,000 at $4.90. 100,000 ton confirmed. So those are my trades set down, and now I'm mainly waiting cash. And again, I'm going to trade. And don't forget, join us in the Telegram. There's 413 of you online. His videos are like morning coffee. Day can't be complete. Thank you, Jane. Video is coming. Patience is bitter, but the fruit is sweet. And you can see Bitcoin 102, Doge bleeding. I'll tell you, people discussing. You can join 413 of them online, which is beautiful. You're a real guru. Thank you. And just, I'm going to pick your last message because thank you for the compliment. You win $100. And everyone, please wait up to 48 hours for the team to contact for these prizes, because it is the weekend, they are sleeping, it is a Sunday. Love you all, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Congratulations on the winners. And again, everything I was buying December 2022 pumped like crazy. Everything is near all-time high, and now I'm being very defensive and very secure with my capital. And as Warren Buffett says, be patient when you're in cash, look for amazing deals. And right now everything looks very high. Love you all, have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.